Greetings, 2425 AP Art students. By now, all of you have come to get your summer supply kit, which is basically just a giant present to you. So here is, I'm gonna do like an unpacking. Here is what's in this kit for you. There are a printed copy of the summer homework instructions. This summer homework is also posted for you in Google Classroom. But this goes through like the main components of the summer homework. I've sent you an invitation to the Google Classroom, but the class code is on here as well. The biggest thing for your summer homework is to fill the sketchbook. It is teeny tiny size this summer so that it is very portable, so that you can take it out and about while you are on your journey and your travels, to make it easy for you to fill this sketchbook up, which is your main goal. So it has 80 sheets of paper. It should work for most any art supply, watercolor, pen, pencil, colored pencil, whatever you have. I do encourage you to make sure that you're working across the spread, so across the full section of the page. And I will post another video about how to extend the pages. So that's something else that you have in here with your sketchbook. You have some sheets of page extension paper. Like I said, I'll post a second video so that you can see how to make that happen. So your job is to fill that sketchbook. That needs to be filled by the first day of school. So if you start working in it now, chug away along throughout the summer. There are a lot of resources on Google Classroom for different art sketchbooks to like look at. There's a Pinterest board with like examples. There are 3 videos by artist Danny Gregory about how keeping a sketchbook changed his life, like the top 10 tips for keeping a sketchbook, and then 6 tips for page design. So I encourage you to watch those. There are 2 like summer research assignments, and I will post more information about those in Google Classroom as well. There will be those are a slideshow, and in your sketchbook. I encourage you to visit art as much as possible over the summer, and I will post some ideas for where to do that. And then the other thing is just to start beginning to think about what interests you visually. I encourage you to keep a Pinterest board just on what you find inspiring. Start taking photographs with the idea that they could be drawings or paintings. Just sort of start keeping track of what makes you excited kind of visually. Another thing that you can think about, this gives you practice writing questions. AP Art is all about inquiry, and it's about writing good questions. And then this is 100 sketchbook prompts. So if you are the kind of person that gets super stuck for ideas, this is 100 different ideas that you can work from. Like I said, it's only there if you find that you're a stuck sketchbook person. I've also included a piece of circular watercolor paper just for fun. It's a thick enough sheet that you should be able to draw and paint on both sides. So just go ahead and give making a circular piece of artwork a try. What else is in the kit? You have a ballpoint pen, which is one of my all-time favorite art supplies just for its accessibility and capability to shade like a pencil. I'll post a couple of videos on shading and drawing with a ballpoint pen. There is a fine liner like for drawing, and this is waterproof. I have sent you a brush pen, which are super fun to draw with as well. You have a regular pencil. You have 2, and just depending, the brand will be different. These are water soluble colored pencils. And I will post a video on how to have fun with those in a sketchbook. I have sent you a little hand twist sharpener for those objects. I have sent you a regular, like traditional paintbrush, and you can use like a yogurt cup or something for water. I have sent you a water brush. So these are fillable, so you can fill this section with water and put this in your bag with your art supplies, and then you have water and a paintbrush on the go. You have a kneadable eraser. I have sent you a glue stick, and you have a brand new half pan watercolor set, which is also, you'll see, very travel minded. So between the water brush, the paint set, and the little journal, you should be set for mobile art adventures all summer long. These are brand new, so you will have to unwrap. Each individual pan of color is wrapped up like a little piece of candy or gum, so you'll be able to unpack those. If I have not had you in a painting class, I will post a couple of painting tutorial videos to sort of get you started. I do also have a YouTube channel, and if I've never had you in painting one, you certainly can poke through my channel. I hope that this has you just excited for summer and making artwork in preparation for your AP art portfolio next school year.